Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, in our previous session, we had solved course book checkpoint exercise 1 and 2. Along with that, we had also solved I connect exercise, right? So, today, children, we are going to solve application worksheet, right? Application worksheet 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5 and 5.6. Are you all ready? So let's begin. I'll just share my screen with you. Okay, application worksheet 5.1, page number 1. Choose the correct answer. Which of the following parts of the plant grows under the soil? So correct answer is root. B1. Second one, which of these is a root? So carrot, cabbage, spinach, potato. What is the correct answer? A, carrot. Third one, which of the following roots store food in them? Carrot, radish, beetroot or all of these? What is the correct answer? All of these. Fourth one, which of the following roots is an example of taproot? A, rice, B, grass, C, wheat, D, bean. So which is the correct answer? D, bean, right? Now, let's move to next question. Which of the following roots does not have a main root? So, on onion, turnip, bean or mustard. So, what is the correct answer? Onion, right? Now, let's move to the next one. Question B. Give one example for each of the following. First one, plant with a soft and green stem, coriander. Then plant with a soft and weak stem, watermelon. Plant with an underground stem, ginger. Fourth plant whose stem stores food. So correct answer is sugar cane. C. Answer in one word. First, flat and broad part of the leaf is called lamina. Second, thin tube running through the middle of the leaf that is called as midrib. Third one, tiny pores present on the underside of the leaf is called stomata. Fourth one, kitchen or food factory of the plant is called leaf. Fifth one, process by which plants make their food using carbon dioxide, water and minerals in the presence of sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis, right? Now let's move to D1. Label the different parts of the leaf shown below. So first part is stalk. Then at the center we have main vein or midrib. Then we have leaf blade and last one is side veins. This is how we are going to label different parts of the leaf. Now let's move to worksheet 5.2 which is on page number 3. Fill in the blanks using the given words. First one, most of the dash grow into fruits. Most of the flowers grow into fruits. Second one, fruits such as dash has only one seed inside them, mango. Third one, the outer covering of the seed is called seed coat. Fourth one, cotyledons store food for the germinating seedling. Fifth one, the dash has two parts, the baby shoot and the baby root. Correct answer is embryo. Now, let's move to question B. Label the different parts of the seed shown below. So, the outer covering that is called as seed coat. Then we have baby shoot and then you have baby root and these two structures which are present in a seed that is called as cotyledon, right? Cotyledons, right, children? This is how we are going to label the different parts of the seed. Now C1, identify the given seeds as dicot or monocot. First one, bean, is a dicot seed. Second one, rice, is a monocot seed. Third one, apple, again it is a dicot seed. Fourth one, maize. It is called as a monocot seed. Now D1. State true or false. First one, a seed contains a baby plant. So this statement is a true statement. Second one, all seeds germinate into a new plant. So yes, this answer is false. Then third one, the process of development of a new plant from a seed is called photosynthesis. No. So this is a false statement. Fourth one, plants are the primary source of food for us. So this statement is a true statement. Fifth one, we should not water the plants regularly. No, we should water the plants regularly. So this statement is a false statement. Sixth one, pesticides keep the plants free from insects. So this statement is a true statement. Yes. Seventh one, mulching increases the fertility of soil. What about this statement? This statement is a true statement, right? Now, worksheet 5.3, which is on page number 5. First one, name the two main parts of a plant, root system and shoot system, right? Second one, differentiate between a root and a shoot. What is the difference between a root and a shoot? So, the part of the plant that grows under the soil is called the root, while the part that grows above the soil is called the shoot. Now let's move to third one. What are the functions of a root of a plant? So the functions of roots are it holds the plant into the soil, it absorbs water and nutrients from the soil. These are then transported to other parts of the plant through the stem. Now let's move to question 4 children. You are going to write this difference in your notebook. Differentiate between taproot and fibrous root. So, first one, a thick main root that grows from the bottom end of the stem is called taproot, while thin and bushy roots that grow in bunch from the bottom end of the stem is called fibrous root. Second one, many small and thin side roots grow from this main root, and while in fibrous root it does not have a main root. Third one, plants such as turnip, bean and mustard have tap roots, while plants such as rice, grass, wheat and onion have fibrous root. Now let's move to next question. Question 5. What are the different parts of a shoot? The different parts of a shoot are stem, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Sixth one, what are the functions of a stem of a plant? So answer is the stem gives support to the plant and holds the plant upright. It carries water and nutrients from the roots to the entire plant. It also carries food made by the leaves to different parts of the plant. The stem of some plants such as sugarcane stores food made by the plant. Now seventh one. Name a few underground stems that we eat. We all know that potato, ginger and turmeric are a few underground stems that we eat. Now, let's move to worksheet 5.4 which is on page number 7. Define the following. A. Lamina. The flat and broad part of the leaf is called the lamina. B. Stomata. We all know about this, children. The tiny pores present on the lower side of the leaf are called stomata. Now let's move to second question. List 4 main functions of a leaf. The 4 functions of a leaf are green leaves make food for the whole plant by using carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. It gives out oxygen. Stomata helps the plant to breathe, right? Leaves of certain plants store food in them. Now, third one, explain the process of photosynthesis. The process by which green leaves make their food using carbon dioxide, water, and minerals in the presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. Fourth one, how does a plant breathe? Stomata present in leaves help the plants to breathe. How it is going to help children? By taking in and giving out air. Fifth question. Why are flowers considered an important part of the plant? Flowers change into fruits. Most of the fruits have seeds inside them that grow into new plants. So they are considered as an important part of the plant as they help in reproduction. You know, children, living things reproduce. Now let's move to sixth question. Name any two fruits that have many seeds. So first is papaya and second is watermelon. Now, let's move to seventh one. Describe the structure of a seed. You are going to write this answer in your notebook. So, the structure inside a seed can be broken down into two parts. Each part has a cotyledon or seed leaf. The cotyledons store food and provide nourishment to the germinating seedling. Between these cotyledons, a baby plant lays, which is known as embryo. It has two parts, the baby shoot and the baby root. The baby shoot grows upwards and gives rise to stem, leaves, and flowers, whereas the baby root grows downwards into the soil to form the roots of the plant. Now let's move to eighth one. Differentiate between monocot and dicot seeds. Monocot seeds, they have only one seed in one cotyledon inside them. Dicot seeds, they have two cotyledons inside them. Then monocot seeds, they store food in some other part of the seed, while dicot seeds, they store food inside them. Examples are wheat, rice, and maize. While dicot seeds, examples of dicot seeds are bean, gram, and apple. Now, ninth one, what is germination? What are the conditions required for seed germination? The process of development of a new plant from a seed is called seed germination, and the conditions required are right amount of water, air, sunlight, temperature, and necessary nutrients. Now, let's move to 10th question. Enumerate any 4 steps to take care of plants. Water the plants. First one, regularly. Some plants need more water than others. Second one, make sure that the plant is getting adequate amount of sunlight. Third one, clean the leaves regularly so that the plant can breathe easily. Then adequate amount of space should be provided between the plants that are grown in the soil. Now, application worksheet 5.5, page number 10, A1. Who am I? First one, I fix the plant in the soil. What is the correct answer? Root. Second one, I am the part of a plant that makes food. What is the correct answer? Leaf. Third one, I help leaves to take in air. What is the correct answer? Stomata. Fourth one, I am the process by which plants make food. So, what is the correct answer? Photosynthesis. Fifth one, I am found inside a fruit. I grow into a new plant. What is the correct answer? Seed. Right? Now, we will move to next question. B1. Rina went to a garden and pulled out some grass. She observed that the roots of grass were in clusters. What type of root is this? Support your answer with an explanation. So children, grass has fibrous root. They have thin and bushy roots that grow in bunch, that grow in cluster from the bottom end of the stem. Understood children? Now, let's move to C question. Tanvi took a white flower with a short stem. She placed the flower in red colored ink in such a way that the cut end of the stem is immersed in the ink. After a few days, she observed that the flower turned into red color. Why did this happen? Children, the only reason behind this is the flower changes color as the colored water is carried up to the flower through the stem. So with the help of stem, nutrients and water are going to get transferred to all other parts of the plant. Okay. Now, worksheet 5.6, which is on page number 12. First one, Nitin placed a potted plant in the dark room. After a few days, he found that its leaves had turned yellow and the plant had withered. Why did this happen? The leaves has turned yellow and the plant had withered because it is unable to make food without sunlight. So obviously, children, plant is going to die, right? Second one, Radhika carried out an experiment to investigate the conditions necessary for the germination of seeds. After 2 days, she noticed that the seeds in beaker Y germinated, but the seeds in beaker X did not. Why? So, children, what is the reason? The seeds in beaker Y germinated because they got appropriate amount of water, air, sunlight, temperature, and necessary nutrients. While beaker X did not got all of these things. Understood, children? Now, you are going to write dictation words in your notebook. First, nutrients. Second, fibrous. Third, lamina. Fourth, stomata. Fifth, stalk. Sixth word is photosynthesis. Seventh, cotyledon. Eighth, germination. Ninth, kitchen. Tenth, embryo. So I will stop presenting my PPT now, children. Yes, I hope everything is clear to you all. So today we have solved application worksheet, right? 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5 and 5.6. I hope it is clear to you all, right children? Thank you and have a nice day. Bye children.